How to fix Skype video quality bad. To fix the Skype's video quality bad, first of all, you have to understand that the Skype has been officially discontinued as of 2025, but it has been fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. So to fix this issue, you simply have to go ahead and then launch the Microsoft Teams application, and then go ahead and then tap on your profile icon on the top left corner. From here, you simply have to go ahead and open the settings. From here, scroll down and you will find the calling option, or you will find this audio and video option over here. You simply have to go ahead and tap on it. From there, you simply have to look at the low bandwidth mode and turn this feature off. Once you turn it off, you simply have to now go ahead and also turn off the phone's battery saver mode if you have turned this on. And also try to clean the camera lens and check the lighting as well. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.